Okay, welcome back. This is going to be part 71 of our trading challenge series. We are sitting at $48,000 of equity, which is nearly 5x from when we started about 2.5 months ago. So this is our P&L analysis for the past 90 days, right? I'm super transparent with you guys, as you know, so you can see every single trade that I take. It's all available. It's all downloadable. So this is the track record. So we started, I think, start of April, really. Yeah, I think it was start of April when we started. So it was literally 3 months ago. And we had a few bad days in a row. I think this was the worst drawdown we had. We drew down 4 like 6,000 at the start of June. But otherwise, yeah, we've had a pretty good run up until, yeah, even now we've had a pretty good run. Where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winning days in a row. So let's get back to the account. We have $4,000 of unrealized P&L. I'm using about 1.2x leverage. So it's very low leverage, actually. Very low leverage. That's mainly because I'm trading shitcoins. So I just entered right now a few longs. You can see MEXC, XEM, Sahara, Bloom. And I think that's it. Yeah, these 4. I entered these 4 today. So it's the 29th. And I haven't really touched the account all that much. I don't know. We probably need to rebalance only one position. I think it's just this one, useless. Because our entry was really, really good. And now we're up 150% from entry. So yeah, let's go ahead and close some. We already TP'd earlier. So let's go ahead and close a little bit here. Market. Let's close. Let me have a look, actually. I'm just going to close 30%. The maximum size is $600. Yeah, so we can do that. We can do that twice. $600. And let's do another 600. There we go. So we just rebalanced a little bit our position here. All of the other trades, I think, make sense to hold. Maybe I want to rebalance Badger. Let me see. Maybe I want to get out of this position. I'm just going to take a look. Let's look at Badger. Okay. Daily at resistance for... I'm not really sure what this pattern is besides insider. I think I'm going to close Badger. I just don't like the way it looks. For those of you asking me, if you want a detailed breakdown of how and why I enter all of these trades, and it comes with position history, you can download everything. Obviously the P&L is, I've already shared, it's pretty transparent. You have to sign up to the Telegram group, which doesn't cost you anything, but the link that you use needs to be the one in the description of my videos, right? And also you get access to these indicators that I use if you want them. They are custom made, so they're not on TradingView, but you can send me a message in Telegram and get access to them. Now, let's do a quick breakdown of where we are with the markets. So BTC super strong. We are in a bull market, as I've been saying every single video. Yeah, logically, these are the areas you want to take profit. I did advise that shorting is dangerous unless you know what you're doing. So I personally am not shorting BTC. It's an asset that's programmed to just go up. So BTC is looking extremely strong. I think sentiment overall has been pretty non-existent to weak, which kind of makes me want to long the market. The fact that you can see the volume is just disappearing, like on hype. You can see with our volume flow intensity, look at the trend, and volume is just completely falling whilst prices are rising. Super, super strange. I'm assuming most people are just touching grass on holidays, but nonetheless, the sentiment is low. So that makes me very interested. As you guys know, assets like Hype are one of my longer term picks. Although at this price level, I'm not sure it's the best one. It's not the best one, but I'm not sure this is a good price to buy at. $38. But yeah, it's still an asset that I really like. The other one really is Fartcoin. It's more of a contrarian pick, I guess, but I don't think it's going anywhere. The center, like, it still has a lot of attention, a lot of eyeballs on it, a lot of open interest on it. Is just buying at these levels not the most exciting trade in the world. So just have to keep an eye on it. Right, Aave, super strong. We've been saying this for a long time. TRX, again, really stable. So that's kind of the market. If you're looking to short like absolute dog shit coins, at least like what I'm doing, like I'm shorting Sand, for example. You know, if you just look at this chart, you know, it's just absolutely dog shit, right? Absolutely dog shit. Sand, as well. Yeah, wow, it would have been a great short to enter in size, actually. Yeah, maybe even more here. Yeah, looks, I'm gonna save it to here. OP, I think we can remove. We can have, I think, Trump not. I think we can add Melania on here. So we're gonna add that. I think should like ADA, super weak, but there's a lot of weak coins, right? But yeah, and Melania look really, really bad, especially after we had these wicks up on Melania. It looks really dog shit. And same with Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So that's kind of where we are at. Hopefully we can get to 50K soon. That'll be, yeah, we had 10K in the account about 3 months ago. So that'll be a 5x. We'll just keep on being patient. At the moment, I've got slight long bias, about $35K worth of longs on here, like net. So I've got a lot of shorts as well, you can see. So net, I'm $35K worth of longs, 1.4x leverage. Don't really think, like, I could scale up quite a bit more. It's pretty low leverage, but I don't have a whole lot of conviction. If I'm honest, don't have a ton of conviction. And yeah, and it's a summer period, so I don't actually want to be babysitting the trades all the time. I'd rather just put these on. You can see that I don't trade that often. Like once today, I think maybe it was 2 days ago. Yeah, 29, 27, 25th. One trade on the 27th, then two trades on the 25th. Like it's really not a lot. And it just shows you that you don't need to be trading all the time to do something like this. So this is, let's do recent 90 days. to do something like this. So cumulative P&L is at 37K now. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.